Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Keurig Descaler Kit is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of coffee machine maintenance, but it's absolutely vital for keeping your brewer running smoothly. Over time, mineral buildup from water can wreak havoc on your Keurig, leading to slower brewing, weaker coffee, and even complete breakdowns. Today, we're diving into why descaling is so important and how the right kit can keep your morning routine flowing perfectly. Number 5. IMPRESA Descaler Universal Descaling Solution. Is your coffee machine not performing like it used to? This descaler is specially designed to help restore its performance. It's powerful and effective, yet gentle on the machine. This descaler is compatible with almost all single-use coffee and espresso machines. Whether you have an Nespresso, DeLonghi, or other brands, it works great. Regular use eliminates limescale and mineral deposits, preventing corrosion. This not only improves the taste of your coffee but also extends the lifespan of your machine. It's suitable for automatic, manual, pod, capsule, K-cup, filter, commercial, cappuccino machines, kettles, and electric water heaters. You can use it on various types of machines. Proudly made in the USA, each bottle provides 2 uses. For the best results, decale your machine every 2 to 3 months. It is easy to use. What we like? This descaler works with almost every coffee machine, from Keurig to Nespresso. It removes mineral deposits, enhancing the flavor of your coffee. If you have multiple coffee machines at home or in the office, this universal solution is a must-have. What people say. This solution works with all major coffee machine brands, including Keurig, Nespresso, and DeLonghi. I used it on my Keurig and Nespresso machines, and it performed flawlessly, removing buildup without any adverse effects on the machines. After using the descaler, my coffee machines operated like new, better water flow, quieter brewing, and no lingering mineral deposits. I used this descaler on my Keurig, which had been brewing slower than usual due to mineral buildup. After completing the descaling process, the machine brewed at its original speed, and my coffee tasted noticeably cleaner and less bitter. Number 4. Essential Values Universal Coffee Machine Descaling Solution. Are you tired of mineral buildup in your coffee machine? This universal descaling solution is designed to tackle that problem. It works with various brands, ensuring your machine runs smoothly. This solution deeply penetrates and removes mineral deposits, limescale, and oils. It's made in the USA and is suitable for various coffee makers and espresso machines. This product is compatible with popular brands like Keurig, Nespresso, and Breville. It restores your coffee maker's optimal performance, ensuring a great cup every time. Made with concentrated citric acid, this odorless cleaner is safe for your family and the environment. The bottle is also recyclable. Each 8-ounce bottle provides 2 uses, and the 2-pack gives you a total of 4 uses. It's a cost-effective way to keep your machine clean, with regular descaling every 2 to 3 months. What we like? Made with citric acid, this descaler is safe for your machine and the environment. With 4 uses in a pack, it offers great value for regular maintenance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet effective solution, this is the one. What people say. The descaling solution is specifically designed to remove mineral buildup and limescale that can accumulate over time in coffee makers. It effectively tackles the hard-to-reach areas of the machine, including internal components and water lines, restoring them to their optimal functionality. It works seamlessly with other popular brands such as Nespresso, Breville, and various coffee pots and espresso machines. Just follow the instructions and it does a great job. No nasty vinegar smell and it rinses away completely. Perfect. Number 3. Keurig Maintenance Kit for Classic 1.0 and 2.0 Brewers. This kit includes everything you need to keep your Keurig coffee maker running smoothly. It comes with rinse pods, descaling solution, and water filter cartridges. It's designed to help you enjoy the best tasting coffee. The rinse pods help to reduce flavor carryover between brews. They quickly clean the K-cup pod holder, removing any residue or oils. Using them is as easy as using a regular K-cup pod. These pods are the quickest way to clean your K-cup pod holder. They effectively rinse away any buildup that can affect your coffee's taste. The formula is gentle, odorless, and safe for your machine. Use the descaling solution every 3 months to clean your coffee maker. It removes mineral deposits that can build up inside. This will help to keep your machine working efficiently. By removing mineral buildup, this kit helps improve the taste of your beverages. It ensures that every cup of coffee tastes its best. Enjoy a fresher, more flavorful coffee experience. The kit also includes water filter cartridges. These filters help to remove impurities from your water. This ensures that your coffee tastes clean and pure. What we like. This kit includes rinse pods to reduce flavor carryover, ensuring each cup tastes fresh. It's designed for easy use, just like a regular K-cup pod. If you like a quick and comprehensive cleaning solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. It comes with 4 Keurig cleaning pods, 2 water filters and 1 descaling solution. The solution fixed our coffee maker's issue. It only took 45 min super quick to clean the inside of the appliance. Number 2. FreshFlow Keurig Descaling Kit. This kit includes 4 uses of descaler and 4 new filters. Use it every 2 to 3 months, or when your decale light appears. It's designed to keep your machine running smoothly. Limescale buildup ruins your coffee's flavor. This descaling solution removes deposits, restoring the original taste. You'll get better value from your machine, and your coffee will taste much better. Limescale and corrosion can slow down your machine and affect the coffee's taste. This solution removes buildup, improving your coffee experience. It helps extend the life of your machine. FreshFlow works with Keurig, Nespresso, and many other brands. It's perfect for single-use coffee makers, drip coffee makers, and espresso machines. This universal solution is a great choice. The kit also includes replacement water filters compatible with most Keurig models. The filters are easy to install and help ensure the best possible coffee flavor. Follow the included instructions for prepping them. What we like. This kit not only descales but also includes replacement filters for your Keurig. It helps to remove limescale and mineral buildup, which can affect the taste of your coffee. If you are looking to extend the life of your machine and improve your coffee's flavor, this is a great choice. What people say. The descaling solution worked wonders. It seems to work as our Keurig Elite machine has always worked flawlessly. Instructions are easy to follow. You can see how clean the machine is by the clarity of the outside water reservoir. Number 1. Keurig Brewer Cleanse Kit. This kit helps reduce flavor carryover between brews. It ensures that each cup tastes fresh and clean. You'll enjoy a better coffee experience. Rinse away residue and oils with ease. This is the quickest way to clean your K-cup pod holder. It keeps your coffee maker running smoothly. Using this kit is simple. Just use it like you would a regular K-cup pod. It's designed for your convenience. The formula is gentle and odorless. It's safe for your coffee maker and effective at cleaning. You can use it with confidence. Use it weekly, or after brewing flavored beverages. This helps prevent flavor carryover. It keeps your machine in top condition. This kit is compatible with all Keurig coffee makers, excluding the View system. It's a versatile solution for keeping your machine clean. The box includes 4 Keurig rinse pods. They are ready to use and will keep your coffee tasting great. Get yours today. What we like. This kit includes rinse pods to reduce flavor carryover, ensuring each cup tastes fresh. It's designed for easy use, just like a regular K-cup pod. If you like a quick and comprehensive cleaning solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This worked immediately. My bad for forgetting to let it set for the time required. But did not matter. Coffee pot cleaned and was up and running right away. This solution cleans the Keurig nicely. There are quite a few steps also. It's a bit time consuming, but I only deep clean it about once or twice a year. The descaling solution works its magic by dissolving mineral buildup that may accumulate over time, ensuring my Joe is brewed at the perfect temperature for that impeccable taste and tantalizing aroma. With each use, the solution efficiently banishes any lingering residues, leaving my brewer sparkling clean and ready for the next flavorful cup. A win-win. Besides, regular descaling prevents any snarky clogs and gives a latte love to the brewing system. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.